Hello, and welcome to Chords to Jam. Today, I'll be showing you how to play a C major piano chord. And to start, you'll use your thumb to play a C, your middle finger to play an E, and your pinky to play a G. All together, that creates the C major chord. Now, if you'd like to play with your left hand, you just reverse it and play the C note with your pinky. Middle finger is still playing the E note, and the thumb is going to play the G note. All together, there once again is the C. Now, if you'd like to play with two hands, you just move over to the next C, and that creates a more full sounding C chord. And if you wanted to do some variations on the classic C, E, G, you just move over and play those same notes in a different order. And that creates the first inversion. And the second inversion is the G, the C, and the E. And so that's still a C chord, but it's a inverted C chord, which can be helpful in a lot of songs where you don't want to be moving your hand too far to the left or right. So it's very useful to be able to play a C wherever you might be on the keyboard. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.